Pondicherry is the largest city and the capital of the Indian Union Territory, Pondicherry. You can see it's a beachside resort located in the southeast of India, just below Chennai. The sea is a draw for tourists, but the breakwater has caused a lot of coastal erosion. But the beach is still an area of activity for the local community. The fishermen are still going out and collecting their catch. The kids are playing cricket on the beach. Here I am steaming in, bowling some left arm pies to the local kids. I take a wicket or two, but they still smash me around. I also have to do my own fielding. Wasn't so great. This game was at 7 in the morning, so before it got too hot, you can get a game of cricket in. And those boys were very enthusiastic. Potentially, I could have been bowling to the new Tendulkar or Kohli.
Okay, last one. Oh. Getting smashed around even by the Indian kids. One of its well-known landmarks is the Mahatma Gandhi statue behind me. This is one of the features along the beach, which is what Pondicherry is, beachside resort.
Pondicherry has French colonial history. Here's a statue of one of the early colonialists. The French East India Company set up here in 1674 as its headquarters. During the 18th century, when the British and the French were fighting, Pondicherry changed hands several times. When the British finally took over India, they allowed them to keep Pondicherry as one of their trading outposts. Here's some of the architecture, which has some French influence in and around the city streets.
Ashram. It's a school, a spiritual school, where you can try to achieve oneness and complete peace. It's run by Sri Aurobindo and his
mother.
Is his wife?
No, not a wife.
No wife. Okay. And someone else called Mother, veena. And they're buried there. We went and had a look. We weren't allowed to video inside, but that's what we're doing.
Sri Aurobindo and Mother set up Auroville, literally City of Dawn, about 8 kilometers southwest of Pondicherry. This is the visitor center at Auroville, which explains the philosophy of this universal town where people from all countries can come together and live in peace and harmony. Auroville still attracts many people from all around the world looking for an alternative lifestyle. My visit to the University of Pondicherry, I was given a performance by several university groups. Here, this group is doing a typical Tamil Nadu dance. Another performance was of the Saraswati veena being played here. Saraswati, the instrument is named after the Hindu goddess Saraswati. The instrument is a member of the lute band. The instrument dates back to 1700 BC. Lastly, I saw a performance of Silambam, a martial arts from India, specifically from the Tamil Nadu. The main focus of this martial arts is the Silambam, the bamboo stick.
This is a simple method to respect God as well as land and their audience. And this is the larger one I am doing.
So there you have it, a quick look at things in and around Pondicherry, India.